All right, multiple things going on, and this place is a mess. But I was able to obtain some more stuff here for the Mustang project. I'm actually looking for the knife. Let's open up this box. Let's check out the stuff I just got from LMR. All right, so even though I do have a 94-95 style alternator on my car, I'm going to be coating everything black. So I thought it was a good idea just to upgrade everything, since they include in their kit the new alternator, and they give you an upgraded wiring harness, which I thought would look really, really nice installed. Big fuse for the alternator. Look at the size of that wire. What do we got here? All right. They give you the new plug-in, some connectors, actual instructions, and a bolt. I've already got all of this stuff done because I have this alternator installed. I'm going to get this stuff out of the way so we don't make a mess. Now that we got all that stuff out of the way, let's open up the box, check out the alternator. Not too bad. The pulley's really nice. Cool. That's pretty much it. Alright, so that is the unboxing there. That's the SVE 130 amp alternator. Like I said, it comes with all the new connectors. I'm probably going to opt to not use crimps. I'll probably solder them and heat shrink tube them when I redo my wiring harness. It's just going to be how I'm going to do it. I did receive some other stuff, so let's check out what's in this box. I'm going to get this stuff put away quick. As you know, we do have all of these boxes right here full of stuff for the Mustang also. If you want to go back, you can check that out in my major unboxing video. Brake stuff. I got these. I didn't think I showed these. I ordered, got new gaskets since I'm running a Cobra or GT, an actual GT40 intake with a spacer. And then I also have all of these parts over here. So we have the classic brake line kit, new wheels and tires, a bunch of other moldings that are all new. And speaking of moldings, that's what's in this box. Let's take a look at them. All right, so here we go. I actually pulled all the staples out, but here we go. Let's open this up. This is just supposed to be some trim for the windshield, and it's in a gigantic box with lots of stuff. Okay, look at this. How to install. Look. How nice is this right here? There's everything they give you, which I already know how to do this, but that was really nice for someone. Looks like they have, it's a 3-piece set. Looks like each one is separate. Here's your top piece, and here's your 2 sides. I think what I'm going to use this box for is, I have all those other moldings out, so since this box is large enough, I'm just going to grab them. I'm going to throw them in here. That way they're not laying over there on top of them tires, and they shouldn't get damaged. Best way to say it. I did have some other boxes like this, but I took the stuff out just because room in here is a serious problem. All right. We have this project here we're going to try to finish up real soon, and then hopefully we can get back onto our Mustang, even though a lot of guys like watching my videos on the performance modifications and repair that I do to these cars. So that's it. That finishes up our last order from LMR. I think I have more parts on the way. This is going to be a big project, and it's going to be really nice when it's done. If you watch any of the Mustang videos, thanks. If If you watch any of the neon videos, thanks. Anything helps, a thumbs up, a like, a subscribe. If you guys want to see any other content, let me know in the comments. See ya.